You can talk to it too. And it's fast too. I put more memory so it'll be faster for you. I got the charger on the car.
You have the charger?
You know I got everything, son.
Do you have it right there on the car?
No, I got it in the car.
Oh, I couldn't.
So it's still not working?
I already make it.
Actually, so is it good though?
It is already good.
Okay, so don't worry about it. No, I'll give you a better one. I'll give you a better one right now. God damn.
First of all, I just try to connect this one with my cell phone.
Don't worry about it. I got you.
This one, it has to be stopped on the same step right there.
I got you right now. Don't worry about it. No problem. What's the password? The same thing?
No.
No, I'll give you a new one. Don't worry about it.
You need to help me to erase all the information and just already put it right there.
Oh, so just turn it on.
The thing is the actualization.
I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, look. It started. Oh, what's the password?
Let me see. Here.
These are good. You ain't gonna have no problem with these. Okay.
Let's see English.
No starting brand new. There's nothing on there.
Okay. How much you will want it for this one?
That's why I said I give you that one for 150. I give you that for 150. And this is good too. It's quicker. It's quick. You know what I'm saying? So you're good. How business?
This is the season about November, December, and part of the January.
Yeah.
Everything is, for me, is done.
Oh.
Till next year.
Oh man, then you good.
So, what else? We need to resist.
Yeah. God bless. So, I'll come back. I'll come for that in 2 days, but I know this is good.
Okay, very good. Let me try to look at what's wrong with this one.
No problem. We good. My friend, don't got you. God bless. Thank you, man. Okay. Hey, ma.
Hi, how are you? I don't have cash. Next week.
Okay, Pop, you there? Okay. Give me a chanta.
No, I don't have some money. This one?
I sell this for 150, original apple, ma. That's original apple. ¿Cuánto?
I don't have cash. Only for $40.
For what?
Thank you. Have a good day.
For,
Lore.
oh.
Lore, Nikki. I can this one. Lore.
Lore.
Thanks. It's okay.
Can you tell her how much guanto this costs in the store? Tell her.
And the charger?
I got the charger. Tell her this is not. Tell her. You speak English, right?
Yeah, but no. She no. For two, how much?
Give me CN.
No.
Ma, this costs $250 in the store, ma. These are AirPods.
Too much money.
Ma, it's $250 in the store. It's $250.
She had only clothes.
Oh no. My God, ma.
Lore.
You tight, ma. Look.
Give me this one.
I give you.
You don't have bags and cake.
Oh no, ma. Take a lot of women. They don't like certain. Yeah.
How much is this?
The store 300. This is tablet, Apple tablet, Apple.
Yeah, but it's no.
What? No what? Look, ma. Look, original. It's original. Look. Look. Look, Ma. Oh, no, mira, oh, no.
Esta es la marca, ve.
¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto?
Nada, Lore, a mi gente ahorita.
Gracias, thank you so much. So, Pops. The grande one.
The big one?
That's the big one. That's the small one you bought. Remember you bought the small one?
Yeah.
I give you that. That cost $240 in the store. I give you that for $120. Got the charge and everything. That's the other one. Apple. 300. Look. 400.
This is good.
Okay.
Nice. White. This is...
You want white?
No, this is the same. No.
Yeah, same. It's the
No,
same
this is
thing.
more.
Yeah, but that has more memory.
You don't have white. This is.
Nah, you want? I give you this. Yeah, take this. White get dirty fast. Whatever you want, you want. Oh, I got this right here. That's a big one.
Same.
Same little but it's fine. I'll give you the charger. There you go. Let me see if I can put it. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4.